Khasi, Khasi. That's the best part of the song, guys. That's the best momentum. Yes, hello Khasi people, Kumno Pilong Paralog. Hope everyone is doing well. So today we have a new reaction video here from Khraw Umdor. Hello brother, hope you're doing well. Yeah, so today we are checking his latest song by the title Katno nga Kmen, Khraw Umdor feat Evanisha Thongni. Let's check it out, guys. I know I have a lot of viewers who love to listen to Khraw Umdor due to his amazing, touching and emotional song, guys. So without wasting time, make sure to subscribe for more reaction from Northeast, and let's go. Let's sing. Let's sing together, okay? More. Let's go, Khraw Umdor. Here is the ready. Evanisha. Katno nga Kmen. Let's go. And sim jonga. Sounds so good, guys. It's my first time listening to this lady here, Evanisha. That's my favorite part. That's the best part of the song, guys. That's the best momentum. Khraw Umdor. Amazing. That's amazing, guys. Amazing. You know, I know Khraw Umdor. I met Khraw Umdor myself, guys, and not me also telling my review. Like, I know how the guy sound and how professionally he sing. Like, I know Khraw Umdor, one of the Khasi musician, like, whereby most of his song is so touching, and most of the people also love to listen to him because like they feel his song, guys. That's why they love him. And moreover, we know how he sounds so good. Like, he really sing out of his heart. And most of his song, though there is no English subtitle, but I came to know that this guy always sings song which is due to experience or things which people might have experienced, guys. Yeah, we know how good is Khraw Umdor. And my first time also listening to Evanisha, she sounds so good. Yeah, but in this song, okay, like talking of the sound, okay, she sounds so good, but the production of the music, like, her part was so low. I know this how Khraw Umdor loved to produce his song, though he was sounding so clear, but for the lady part, the sound was so deep down. But okay, it was amazing match production. I love the song, and I also want to say to Khraw Umdor, my brother, sometime, yeah, try to provide for us English subtitle, brother. You don't know, maybe one day you're gonna be global, guys. You have a lot of fans, I know that, especially from Shillong. So you don't know, from local you can go global, or maybe other people from different part of Northeast, from Nagaland, from Mizo, they might love to listen to Khasi song with English subtitle. They might also get to laugh or get touched, because I know most of your songs are related to your experience or touching, love. So you don't know with English subtitle you can get fans all over the world, guys. All the best, love from Africa. Till next time, guys, peace.